Time and tide never waits for none. So, very charmful morning to one and all else present here. Myself, Chetan Kiran Patil, currently studying in class 10. I am the student of N.D. Patil Sir Shital Academy. Friends, today I am going to share my views on the topic of importance of time. It is said that time is money, but we can means we can take it back. Money can be earned by us, but time we cannot. We cannot go in the history and we can correct our mistakes. So time is most valuable thing which we have in our these days, because in these days we are not having money, so we should use time as in money, means in every sector. By spending time we should get returns over there. Means if we are spending money, that time how we are thinking that we should get returns, means we should get something, that like that if we will means if we will think about time and we will spend it by means having the means if we will think that if by spending time we will get some of the thing from it. If you will spend like this, then the time will be the most valuable thing, most powerful thing in your hand, and you can change the dimension of world. You can create your new world by going in same field, by learning new skill at right time will help you to create your new red or your by create your new blue ocean. By going in red oceans means in one field there cutthroat competitions are going on, but creating the new field, it will create you the means you will the creator of that field and you will be the master, and there will not be any competition and you will only the king of that creator. It will only be possible when you will use that time in the right time, means if you will learn the skills at right time. All the things means we are all students are there, means many things are means we are knowing, all are telling the importance of time, but no one is telling that how we can means utilize time as productive as we can. So first of all, as we are student, all means our motive is to study, means we have to gain good marks in our academic year. So my from means I had done this experiment from last year. So we should make means to make the second day planning. First of all, first day we should plan the second day, what activities we should do, prioritize our things. Means what thing is important in my life, means tomorrow is the day which can means from which I can get more productivity, and for that you should prioritize the thing. You should plan the things, what type of things I should do in my daily life. So after prioritizing the thing before the day, starting before the day, so you will means that will be means your idea will be clear, your goal will be clear, that I want to do this in this time. So if you will do like this, then automatically the time which you are spending, it will means provide you the productivity. And definitely sure I will tell that means by means planning the time you can create your new world, means you can do anything in the world. We can say that we can take the examples of biggest successful people that started their life in early ages, means we can see that there means how early we will start, that much big success we can achieve in our life. That is the importance of time. We are knowing the Sachin Tendulkar because he had started his career from childhood, and at the same time we can see his means millions of followers are there, and he is the god of cricket. So this is possible because only of time. He had started it from earlier age. Whenever people are means when people are thinking that I will play this and that, at that time he was taking action and he was playing. So this has become him a great means he was become a great person. Like that we can take the example of Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. He had also started his career from very early age of his life. In means he was when he was in school, that time only he had started programming. He was having interest when people are when students are playing games, that time he was making games. That was means skills should be adapted. No one has learned from their mother's womb. So we should learn the things, we should learn things. Learning things at right time will definitely surely you will get success by learning it at right time. So time is the, and we all are sitting here, we are the most time killer person in the world, means the time killing activity we are doing in our daily life, we are the most doing, means our time killing, we are expert in time killing, and that we should not do in this age. If you will struggle hard, then definitely in your 30s you will be the means you can take the retirement, you can be the money freedom person, and you can be the some another person in the world, and you can achieve the goals which you want. So with the help of this I would conclude my speech here, but I think that by thinking this means by taking the productivity, you will manage your time and you will use your time productively. Thank you for listening me very nicely.